All right, so we're back again. Mr. Fix It is here. My son Brian, he's helping me fixing up the machine. I'm teaching him like love the skills. Now I'm not gonna put you in my video, just the machine. All right, here we go. All right, so we're changing some rods. So these are the whole ones. See how they move in? See, they're flexing. See. So these are the whole ones. We already putting some new ones in here. So we're gonna finish putting them in. That. All right, so we're gonna put it back to stand up now. There you go. All right, so new springs are in. So we're gonna put on back this piece here. Put it back up, put it back up as it were. Yeah, so I'm gonna get these guys back on. No. everything is back up here. We're gonna get back this part on the brand. We're gonna plug back this on the board. This is a water level hose, so I just plug it off to get some more space right there. Plug this one back on the board. This is a power cord. Alright, now this switch. This is the next switch that has been broken, so we're gonna change the switch as well. We have a new one. There's a new one. And then put this one here. So it is. So we're gonna put that switch right here. So you see, it has a long stem, so it helps it to spin out. So you see this one has broken off, so we're going to put it back here. Alright, here we go. For the hose. For the water hose.
Mommy, the egg is in the car.
Okay, let's see there.
Don't worry about that. Switch is still good.
Leave the car on.
Look, I slip it. Mommy, slip.
it has a clip inside here. I have to get this out. Okay, here we go. Here's a clip, and it holds it on it. So like bend it out a little. Fly the clip here from top because I can hardly get underneath there. So fly the clip here from top, and I just pull. There we go. Just pull from top, right? Alright, so this goes on at the top. There we go. Bottom.
Here is it.
Alright, so far so good. Switch is on. Springs, they're on. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna plug it in and try it. So here are the bad springs and the switch. I'm gonna screw it up now, man. Okay.
Mommy, reach it like this. I can reach it. Okay, where's my point? What is this? What are they burning? Mommy, what are they doing? Alex!
Yeah,
Alex!
of first. Roll the over.
You go.
And spin out. Alright. Fixing up back this bad boy here.
See? That's the wall.
Connor, you're going to take the egg.
Yeah.
Come and hold sister. Come and hold her. She's calling you.
What is it?
Come, hold her.
Ella, it's too heavy.
Come and sit here. Wait, turn this way.
Hey, baby.
Ella said to move.
Ella, move. Move, Ella. I don't know, move. Look, look. Move. Move, Ella. Move, Ella.
Ella is not moving. You're rude.
Alright.
What is that noise?
A truck.
No, it's not the
Yes,
truck.
it's a truck.
Alright, so next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna plug it in, load it with some clothes, and then we try it out and see if it's kicking the right way. Alright?
Leave that.
Good.
Here you go. No.
What?
Back.
What's that?
Body. Body.
No.
Okay.
Where's mommy?
Mommy gone upstairs for some clothes to come back. Alright?
She's gone to the supermarket.
Alright. Pause it. maintain how much I like. So more maintenance or more steady.
You want to do?
You want it to where?
No.
It don't damn it. Alright, it's working properly, spinning up now. So the springs are back in place and good. First it was making a lot of noise. All over the place. So we up and running again. Okay? Last side, don't leave it to the chip out, you know. Alright, so that is it, guys. Mr. Fix It, please like and subscribe. This is a brand new, my son. Teaching him the trade. Yeah, good. So we can work together in the future and fix a lot of machines, a lot of AC, a lot of stuff. Alright, so please remember, subscribe and like our channel. Peace out.